Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to set up a custom audience for your advertising on Facebook. So once you're logged in, typically you can see manage ads on the left hand side here, or if you click the gear you can even click on advertise on Facebook, or you might see some information about your ads right there on the right hand side as well. So you select manage ads and that'll take you into your campaign area. And what we're going to do is select audiences along the left hand side there. And as you can see here, I'm just going to read through it real quick. You can reach the audience that you're already marketing to through your email list, for example. So you might have their emails, their phone numbers. You can also use Facebook and app IDs, but that's a little bit more advanced, and more than likely emails and phone numbers is going to be what you're focusing on. You can pull from your MailChimp account, pull from a list of people who have taken specific action on your website, and mobile app stuff here as well. So there's a few different options, but again, email and phone numbers, just using a CSV file or a TXT file is probably all you're going to need. So we're going to click Create Audience, and if you click Data File, as I was mentioning, you can use when you choose a file, you can do Excel or a text file, as they have listed here, and you can target via their email, phone numbers, and that what Facebook will do is match up that information with users in Facebook to see if they can find them. And they're not going to find everybody, and not everyone's going to be on Facebook. But I'm just going to name this test audience, and maybe this would be, let's just say, foreclosure buyers in my area. Okay, and I'm going to look them up by their emails, and then I would choose the file. And I'm not going to do this, but what would happen is Facebook would again match that information with people that are on, and it would create that audience for you. And you can also do that with phone numbers, for example. Now if you choose to do something else in a data file, you can pull from MailChimp, mobile app, which I've never done here, but you can test that if you'd like. And there's also from your website, which let's just click and see what happens. Haven't really researched this one either. So let's just say I have read and agree. And as you can see, it's a little bit more advanced, so we're not even going to go into that, but that's an option for those of you who want to play around with that. Once your audience is created, and Facebook says it can take up to a half hour for that stuff to be matched up in your account. What you can do then is in your campaign section, you can create an ad. Okay. And it'll be the typical setup here. Go ahead and fill in all your information. And then the cool thing is, now that your audience is created, down here where it says, one second, they're always changing things around. Let me pause this just for one moment. Okay, I actually had to access this from Ryan's account instead of my own because he has custom audiences. So it looks like you have to create your audience first for this to appear, at least in my instance. And while you're in this ad, you can always create a new custom audience from here as well. But then when you click on this box, you should find the audience that you just created, and you can select it, and then you can actually target your ads right to those people, or whatever they might be, you know, subscribers to your email list, for your newsletter, anything. So pretty neat feature there. And then once that's all done, as always, you can go then place that order for that ad and target that specific audience.